Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Egg in a hole on brioche bread with ham and Swiss cheese. I'm making it with the leftover ham that I made for Christmas. And you can have this for breakfast or for a brunch. Now let's get to the recipe. Let's turn on the pan to medium high. Okay, this is the first thing we do. I'm going to use a biscuit cutter, or you can use a cookie cutter or whatever thing you have that you can make a round holes with. We take it, and this is the brioche bread, by the way. We cut the middle out of the bread. You see the circle? Okay. We do another one. Cut the circle out. There we have it. The ingredients we will be using is eggs, ham, brioche bread, butter, Swiss cheese, black pepper, and salt. This is the first thing we do. We put butter in the pan. We put the bread in the pan. This is the egg. We take the egg and we put it in the hole we made. Now we add a little salt and pepper on the egg in the hole. And we let it cook. You see? Now I flipped it on the other side. You see? Now this is what we do now. We take some Swiss cheese and we put it on top of the toast and the egg. And we let it cook on that side for about 30 seconds. Then we take it out. You see? Now we take it out. And I will continue to make another one. I already took the first one out of the pan. Now let's make another one. This is the egg. We put it into the hole. We put the salt and pepper on. This is the pepper, and this is the salt. and we let it cook. Well, it looks like it's ready to flip it over to the next side. You see? I flipped it over. Now we're going to let it cook on this side for about a minute. Let's flip over the circles. I think it's almost ready to take it out. I just added some Swiss cheese to the top. We let that melt. Keep it in the pan for another 30 seconds for it to melt on top of the bread. Let's see. The circles are almost ready. This is the one I already did. Now, yes, see, the circles are ready to come out. Yep. See, the toast is ready. And this is the circle. Now, we're going to take the ham and put it in the pan to heat it up. The ham is in the pan sauteing up for about a minute on each side. Then we're going to add it to the plate and serve. Here's the finished product. Egg in a hole on brioche bread with Swiss cheese and ham. Take a look. You can have this for breakfast or brunch. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I want to thank every viewer who supported me by subscribing and liking and share. And I will see you in another video soon. Bye.